In this video we will discuss top 20 MS Excel shortcut keys. It's guaranteed you to become a keyboard master.
To put a strike through in a cell. Ctrl+5. To show the outline symbols. Ctrl+8. To hide a row. Ctrl+9. To hide a column. Ctrl+0. To enter the current time in a cell. Ctrl+Shift+.
To enter the current date in a cell. Ctrl+. To change the view from displaying cell values to formulas. Ctrl+ backquote. To copy the formula from the cell above. Ctrl+. To delete columns or rows. Ctrl+. To insert columns and rows. Ctrl+Shift+=. To switch between displaying Excel formulas or their values in cell. Ctrl+Shift+tilde. To apply time formatting. Ctrl+Shift+at. To apply comma formatting. Ctrl+Shift+. To apply currency formatting. Ctrl+Shift+$. To apply date formatting. Ctrl+Shift+#. To apply percentage formatting. Ctrl+Shift+%. To place borders around the selected cells. Ctrl+Shift+N. To remove a border. Ctrl+Shift+_. To delete a selected row or column. Ctrl+. To select an entire column. Ctrl+spacebar.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.